Today I am extremely fortunate and so happy to bring to all my viewers one of the most luxurious hotels that you can find inside Accra, inside Ghana, inside West Africa, and possibly even Africa. And you're more than likely saying, Callum, that is an extremely hard thing to claim. But if you just look down here, all the furniture in this hotel is specifically made by Bentley themselves. And just through that door there is one of the most rare cars you can find. I haven't even seen this on some of the most exclusive showrooms in Europe. Outside there is a Mercedes-Benz 190 SL. So we're going to take you on a tour. We've teamed up with Emmanuel from Wonderworlds. He's going to take us to some of the most impressive hotels. So I really hope this convinces more people to come to Africa, come to Ghana, come to explore, and definitely stay at one of these residences. We will start off in the dining facilities, and it is absolutely stunning. The marble floor, the finishings are absolutely beautiful. You can see the texture on the wall behind me. It is world class, and the artwork just ties the whole room together, which is such a spectacular piece. This is for in-house guests, but it is also for guests that are out-house. They want to come for breakfast, lunch, dinner. This is the place to come. Just across the hallway from the dining area, we have another absolutely amazing room just off the entrance lobby area, and this is the coffee lounge. You can come here if you want to get a drink, you want to get a coffee, or if you just want to sit down and have a business meeting. But you can see by the look of this room, it is so elegant, it is so well finished, and all the furniture you can see is done by Bentley. Behind me, you have the open foyer that can be used for in-house guests and visitors if they just want to come, sit down, order something to drink, order something to eat, and you can see it is absolutely awesome. The difference in colors, you got the blues, you got the red, you have the lighting that's hanging from the ceiling, the walls with all the different textures. It is absolutely incredible. All the books they have, the artwork, and it just closes this whole area in so amazingly. And then just as we turn around behind me, what we'll get to now, it flows straight onto the pool and the outside area. I know a lot of the people that are watching these videos wanting to come explore Ghana, wanting to come explore Africa, one of the things they love to do, they love to keep fit, they love to train, and one thing I look for, and I know a lot of you guys and girls will look for, is the gym. Now I must say this is one of the most impressive hotel gyms I have seen to date. It is almost like a proper professional gym inside a hotel. We've got all the ellipticals, we've got all the treadmills, and if we carry on making our way, you can see how big this whole area is. The lighting, the down lighting is absolutely incredible. All the machines, all the equipment is this matte black, which gives it a very stealth, very mysterious look, what I absolutely love. They have everything here which you can do a great workout on. You want some yoga, they have equipment for you. You want to do some free weights, they've got equipment for you. Train legs on holiday, why not? We've got squat racks here, we've got leg prep. Absolutely everything you can think of here. They got the mirrors to make sure when you're doing it, making sure your form is correct. Just checking yourself out when you're training. It is absolutely incredible. I'm blown away. You can see Wonderworld stitched into the leather, but wow, I was not expecting this. I could actually just move in right now. You can tell a lot about a hotel by just looking at the pool, and I must say this one ticks all the boxes. You have this amazing pool. If you just want to come lie out by it, you have all the options. Don't want to get burnt, you can lie underneath the cabana. You want some sun, you can lie out in the open. You want to swim some lanes up and down the pool, be their guest, you can do that. Just want to lie in the pool. It's an absolutely amazing atmosphere up here. It's so tranquil, it's so calm, and the whole setting of it is just out of this world. Very impressed by the whole setup, the whole pool, and everything we've seen so far. We were lucky enough to get an inside look at the spa, so come with me. Let me show you what you can expect if you're on holiday. You just want to come, you want to relax. So tranquil, so peaceful. You got some absolutely beautiful artwork all over the place, and then through this door is where the magic happens. If we go through here, we first have our sauna, and we have our steam room, and then just the other side down there, we have the rooms where you can go and get your couple massages or your massages by yourself, and it is just a lovely setting, and it flows straight out onto the pool. The first room everyone is going to be seeing is absolutely breathtaking. This is the one bedroom studio room, which is incredible. We start off as soon as you walk in, you have obviously the bed, which is immaculate, and then as soon as we go in here, you guys know I absolutely love bathroom. You have a massive bathroom here, walk-in shower, rain shower on the top, all the amenities, the hand wash, the face creams, everything is all there. Then you got a cupboard, but not just in any cupboard, how they normally just have these wooden old school cupboards. These you can see are actually transparent if you look close enough on them. We have another mirror on the side which also works as the cupboard. We make our way a little bit further now, and the one thing I love the most about these type of apartments, they don't force you to have to eat every single night at the hotel restaurant. You can see this is fully self-service. So you got your microwave, you got your oven, you got your hob where you can just come cook up food whenever you want and just sit, enjoy it with your friends, enjoy it with your family. And after that you can just come be like, you know what, I want to watch some TV. You can come have a lie down here, sit down here, flick through the TV, and at the same time the TV is not something that just pops out and is a piece that offsets the room. It is perfectly flush in the wall and absolutely amazing. Then if we carry on making our way down, you get to another area, you've got the aircon blowing freezing cold air, and then from there we can step outside and enjoy. The next room on the tour is the 2-bedroom executive suite, and as soon as the door was open, my jaw just dropped and I was like, wow, this is incredible. It has a massive kitchen, great center island. It's so nice, friends, family, just to stand around, sit along there. You got all your microwaves, got all your ovens, first washroom there. Then we come into the first bedroom where it's the same style with the cabinets that are solid and then see-through in the front with your robe, which is so lovely. All these rooms are so big. Normally when you come to a hotel, you have these small little rooms that you feel very cramped in. These are very open, very luxurious, and then another bathroom in here that has a really big walk-in shower. Straight from leaving the first room, we make our way back down. We have an absolutely stunning centerpiece where you can sit 6 people, and then a little bit further down, a really different type of mirror, not just your standard square mirrors. It's nice and curved. Come down, another great area to sit with friends and family, watch TV. With all these curtains open, you can just imagine how this place just absolutely lightens up and becomes incredible. But right now with the filming, it would be a little bit blurry. Another desk, it's an executive suite, got to do some business deals, you do that there. And then you walk into the room, and it's another absolutely stunning bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. We're right now on the top floor at the Sky Bar, and I must tell you, the views you get here are just breathtaking. You get a full 360 degree around absolutely everywhere. You can see for miles, no obstructed view. It is absolutely breathtaking. To conclude this video, I just want to say a massive thank you. None of this is possible without you taking us around, showing us these absolutely amazing properties. For anyone that is wanting to come to Accra, to Ghana, to come and experience Africa, these properties are the ones that need to be right at the top of your list to come and stay at. I had very high expectations coming into here, and it absolutely blew everything out of the water. The finishes, the touches, your service, how kind you have been. I truly appreciate it, and thank you very much.